Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? Hope you guys are fine by God's grace. So here I have my flaccid. Okay, flaccid gel guys. So here I have my Africa Best super glue. This one is hair grease from Africa Best super glue. So this one is Blue Magic super glue as well. While this one is the olive moisturizing growth lotion. So I'm using the Africa Best and the Blue Magic hair grease today. So here I have my DIY avocado oil that I made myself by myself with myself for myself. So now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together with the flaccid gel. Okay, this is going to be a great moisturizing hair growth lotion, my own version. Okay. So I'm just going to mix everything together as you can see me doing right now. If you have a very dry hair, your hair is very dry, this product right here is going to help you to break down that dryness, give you moisture, give you length, give you everything that you are looking for. If it's definition, this product is there for you. If you want your hair to be soft, moisturized, when somebody touch your hair, it will be like saying that today bread. This product is here for you. Just go give it a try. So if your hair is always breaking, this product is also here for you. If you have breaking hair, your hair is not growing, guys, try out this combo. You are going to love it. Okay, Africa Best is one of my favorite products that I don't use all the time, but I use it, but not all the time. So because of Blue Magic there and there, so I really love Africa Best as well. As you can see, the one that I'm using, I'm almost done with it. I use it on my daughter hair on her hair most of the time, but for me it's just cozy. So I really love the product. It's nice, both the leave-in conditioner, the moisturizing lotion, moisturizing growth lotion. That one is amazing, guys. You really want a cheap lotion that will work on your hair, that will